First Minister, you'll be aware of recent concerns raised by the British Dental Association, which has claimed that the Welsh Government's proposed NHS dental reforms are a leap in the dark that could destroy the service. That's their words, not my words. Now, as you know, access to dental care has been a huge problem in Pembrokeshire for many years. I've repeatedly raised this in the Chamber, and now even Henry Tufnell, the local Labour MP, has quite rightly stepped in and said that the Welsh Government reforms, as proposed, could make a bad situation even worse, particularly for rural areas like Pembrokeshire. Therefore, in light of the concerns raised by the sector, by myself, and now by the Labour MP, will the Welsh Government pause and listen to the warnings of those in the profession and meaningfully engage with the British Dental Association to find a way forward before it's too late?
Well, we have spent 13 months working with the British Dental Association to design the new contract. They were fully involved in developing those proposals, and they're out for consultation. It's been the biggest response to a consultation, I think, ever in the history of devolution. So obviously, we will take time now to go through those responses and make sure that we respond accordingly. What is important, of course, is to recognise, as in all negotiations, there are aspects on which the parties agree and aspects where there's more contentious issues. So, of course, we'll be taking those consultations responses seriously. But I do reject the assertion that the British Dental Association has not been involved in these negotiations.